I just had to have.
Today, me and my dad are going to the scrapyard to dump off the Mercedes.
It's a 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550 4MATIC W221 chassis. It had a 5.5 liter dual overhead cam 32 valve V8 in that thing, pushing out around 375 horsepower. That thing is a serious power plant.
Tell them where it came from.
We got it from COPART on the online auto auction.
Tell them where it got built.
It was built in Germany.
Yep. There it is. We're taking it to the scrapyard.
Welcome to Everz Recycling in Caneyville, Kentucky.
There it is, folks. In a minute, I'll show you it's being scrapped.
You'll give me a thumbs up in a second.
Yep. Just parked on that, and that is a scale, so the workers here knows how much it weighs.
Hey, puppy.
Oh my God.
They call me the world's best backer-upper.
They do.
Well, I do.
I didn't know they tore that up.
Yep.
I thought they used it.
Alright, now I gotta go unstrap it. I just had to have.
You did?
Alright. We got paid. So, here's the details. Scrap price is $140 a ton, and 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. And we brought them, our whole truck and trailer and everything weighed, with the Mercedes, weighed 12,040 pounds.
Wow.
Just the Mercedes weighed 2,820 pounds, so we got $197.
Wow.
And I got a tailgate for $10.
$10.
Yeah. So now we're headed out to go look at an IROC Z Camaro. We may or may not include that in this video. If we don't, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.